welcome to the show. Today we're going to be talking about magnets. You know, magnets are in a lot of the stuff you use every day, like your fridge. Did you ever wonder how it stays closed after you close it? It's because there are magnets holding it together. In the water, when they're looking for metal stuff, they would use magnets. And to move heavy cars around, they would use magnets. Did you know that magnets could be so weak that they can't even lift up a paper, or so strong that they can lift up a car? Did you know that magnets come in many different sizes? They can be as big as a room, as small as a pebble, or as flat as a piece of paper. There are many types of magnets, but I'm going to go over the main three with you. The first one is an electromagnet. An electromagnet would need electricity to turn on. These are like the big magnets that you would see at the junkyard picking up cars. The next type of magnet is called a permanent magnet. These magnets do not need electricity to work, but they stay in one place for their whole life. These are like the magnets that keep your refrigerator door closed. The next type of magnet is a temporary magnet. This magnet is not meant to stick to any surface or another magnet for a long period of time. Just like a refrigerator door or a sliding door, when you close it, the magnet attaches, but when you open it, it detaches. Do you know what else uses magnets? The Earth. It's called the magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field is an invisible shield around the Earth that protects us from harmful solar winds and comet rays. Earth's magnetic field acts like putting two magnets of the same magnet together, that it would just repel from each other. When picking a magnet, there are 4 things you need to think about: shape, size, strength, and tolerance. Now that I have the type of magnet that I want and the shape and size that I need, what am I going to do with it? Maybe I could lift something like a big truck, or maybe I could attach something, or maybe I could move something.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to.
Enough of that. To help me explain, I brought with me a box of magnetic tiles. If you want to know how to get these, I'll be leaving a link on my page. And inside, there's these little tiles. They come in a lot of different sizes, like this little one. And then they have magnets on the ends inside. Right now, I'm going to take 2 tiles and then move one without even touching it. Do you think I can do it? Now I'm going to try and move one tile without touching it by using the other tile. The reason I was able to move the tile without touching it is because of magnetic force. Every magnet has a positive side and a negative side, or as we scientists say, a North Pole and a South Pole. If you put 2 negatives or 2 positives together, they won't connect. But if you put a positive and a negative together, they connect. If you get this box, and remember I'll put the link on my website, you could build almost anything. So like with this, you could just put a few tiles down, and then you could make like a little square, and then you could put some tiles to close it up, and then you have a little box. Me personally, I've built so many things with these. So if you get a set, let your imagination run wild and build whatever you want. And don't forget to send me a photo with your information on it. I'd love to see what you built. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope you learned a lot about magnets. Until next time, keep on imagining and keep on learning.